Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online lessons. In one of my classes this week, an Argentinian student of mine was talking about the worsening economic crisis over there. And she was talking about how things are getting so bad that they're starting to affect more and more people. And even middle class and maybe upper middle class families are starting to feel the pinch. You probably know that if you pinch somebody, you use your fingers to kind of do this to them, yeah? So if you talk about people or companies or families feeling the pinch, you basically mean it's like a financial pinch. They're starting to have problems with money, maybe because they're earning less, or maybe because things are just getting more expensive, and so their money doesn't go as far as it used to. So, at the moment, with high fuel costs, a lot of people are starting to feel the pinch of the high fuel costs. Here in the UK, after Brexit and the cost of living crisis that then followed leaving the European Union, we've all been feeling the pinch for several years now. And you often hear this phrase in business news. So you might hear that because of uncertainty about the future, consumers are spending less and traders or retailers are feeling the pinch. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on your social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd like to see examples of how you might use feel the pinch.